phakamisela seklasi kuhlanyisa njana bomama mia surrounding nomfundo ugabadia ngifuna isidrave ngiphile soft nami copper B I'm all about the green ngathi join yamakhando I'm what the game's been missing sekufike mina ngumaqhuzu embizi sure fera ngibafeel abantwayizini my punchlines bring more fury than Tyson rap's golden child no debating I'm the best vele ngiyababless on the mic I finesse fake iclip ameter want nothing less that's where the cast jela no more fias I'm the one like KRS hlezi ngimehlomane zami induku sihlala ziloliwe dudula kwasani kulama track nguloliwe miss me with a pop verse like give me zibondiwe angisinge chichi kodwa iskilli sona sihloliwe khohlwa umzinganyana want the whole smoke basazogwinya amagama abo till they all choke I give my haters front seats to the main show and let them watch the evolution of this black sheep into a goat. Oh, the jig is up bathukile ntwana yami cause they know what's up ego like a big dick Miss Chibi as misfit sazochisa isikiliti kulama biscuit violence bathu nomfundo uze ngeviolence ngena mina the silence back ngifika indoda ivevezele ngiskimi ihleve ilengindle mawuthatha ubheka ebusweni isigaxa bo11 bophela bodeveli kuvela mina ushintsha indlela izinje engahleki isigaxa amabhande kwemendlela wazela ngobusathana uzohudulwa ngamaphondo uqhaqheka ingqondo masithanda donsihla bhaza hlaphaza ikhanda taka ukhabakaba ushiya umzimba ubanda udatshulelwa iprada mawusosela ngama-ada ngeke uraphe nami the only thing you flow is tears sibibithwane fighting me like facing your fears wazala kimi so ayidlila ngivele ngitshintshe amageza ngifuna ukungasho labomrapha bena just racketeers buzz electrified ngasupply kasilonke ngegesi ngiyalrana le game ngilesilwano ngeke ukwazi ukusithema I'm on top of the chain ngizifunela nje 2 sentence ngichange ngizo-elevator nami ngifeza iphupho lami on stage had to marry the game the crown was vacant had no choice but to take over the reign always spitting some flames and slowly cutting like my fake cause when you out of the frame they know I got them thinking twice before saying my name let's go